I'm Heather Rates, and this is my reading log for Chapter 9 for the Newbery Award, and I chose Crown, an Ode to the Fresh Cut. This story is written by Derek Barnes and illustrated by Gordon C. James. It is published by Agate Publishing in 2017. It is realistic fiction, cultural diversity, and a picture storybook. There are 34 pages and it is appropriate for ages 3 to 8. And this book, as you can see, there are many awards. It got the Newbery Honor in 2018, the Coretta Scott King in 2018 as well, and the Caldecott Honor in 2018. So this book is about a young African American boy who is honoring the barber shop. It is one of the few places the author was saying that where African American boys and men can go where they are actually fully tended to besides church. So and he was just celebrating the feeling that you get after a great new haircut, and it just changes your persona and it makes you feel like you can do anything in the world and it makes you feel beautiful. And so this story highlights and celebrates self-esteem and confidence. The illustrations are beautiful. The text is has a lot of rhythm to it, and the illustrations that Gordon C. James does kind of adds to that with the movement within in the backgrounds and the individual brush strokes. Lots of beautiful colors, realistic, with some pizzazz added to it for his feeling. You can just feel this boy's emotions. Yeah. So this book is great for students because it shows them that it's great to have self-esteem. It's a good boost. It's celebrating all of the things and all the emotions of, what it feels like to take care of yourself. And through the book, the boy says that everyone will notice, and all the girls will whistle and talk, and everyone will think that you're presidential and royalty. So I really love that message that Derek Barnes has to say about that. And then this book is very similar to his other book, I Am Every Good Thing. So this book is also celebrating African American boys and saying that you are worth it, you are beautiful, you are every good thing, and you are brave. So I thought that was a wonderful message as well. So for an activity, I thought that to follow the self-esteem building, I would have the students, this is probably for third grade, I would have the students journal about all the things that they love about themselves and that they would celebrate about themselves. And then I would have them choose one word, one or two words, and then we'd make a big poster that we can hang up on the outside that says, we are proud, we are beautiful, we are strong. So great message like that. Okay, thank you.